I'm Seth here at USL. I've installed my CMS-2200 and installed the SMS software on my machine. Now we'll go through the initial setup and settings for the CMS-2200. I've loaded the SMS software and specified my screen through Discovery. I'll now log into the screen using the credentials provided by USL. Once logged in, at the top there's a spinner that shows the status as it loads. Everything's now loaded. I have a USB drive attached. And we'll be moving first through the system settings. On the System tab, which is available to installer level and above users, I have the first panel is the system status. This CMS was already in use today and has played 12,000 frames and encountered no playback errors. Our hard drive has already been filled up almost entirely, and our RAID is in a good, clean state. If it ever needs to be resynchronized, press the green button to initiate that process. Also, the current status and last logs are listed down below. The next panel specifies the users. Jay has added himself as a projectionist for this system, and the other users are the default accounts that come with the CMS. Add, edit, and delete users in this pane. We also can download audit logs from the System tab. The audit report logs are available through any set of specified dates. Select a date range which you'd like to get an audit report for, and press the Save button to save it to your hard drive. Finally, the Settings tab allows us to specify the information about our system. I've installed this CMS in a Barco. We are going to downsample 4K because this is a 2K version of the Barco projector, and we are running a RealD 3D system. I specify those options and press Save to save them to the server. On the server page, we can specify which options we want to use and our location for the time zone information. USL is located in the same time zone as Los Angeles, which is on the America continent. Specify where in the world you are located, and the time zone will automatically update. I've also turned on CineCanvas and an auxiliary content server to allow subtitling and closed captioning to play out in our setup. We've also named the screen T3. This is to specify where in our auditorium it is, and any CMS that logs in or discovers this projector will see T3 as the server name. Additionally, now that we're logged in, there's a button at the bottom. Clicking this will launch the web tool and go to the CGI interface we use to download the SMS software. With those settings saved, I move on to Media Block. On the Media Block page, there is information about the Media Block, which does the secure playout of video to the projector, and the ability to change the offset of the time from the secure time within the Media Block within the DCI specified 12-minute window. You are allowed 360 seconds in either direction every year to adjust the time to match exactly to the current local time wherever your CMS is installed. The automation page shows the listing of queues currently available for building playlists. The default queues are automatically specified by the system based on the other components information. When we selected a Barco projector, for example, the Barco projector macros and queues were populated. We also have audio queues for the JSD60, which we have installed, and a CMSA automation unit also has its queues specified for operation. We can add our own queues or edit any of the ones that we've added with the buttons at the bottom. Input the information relevant to the queue you wish to add. The command to be sent, and the IP address for which it should be sent to, including the port. Saving this information will add the queue to the queues list and be available when building a playlist. Now that queue's been added, I can edit it in any way that I need to, such as if I've mistyped the IP address of my automation device. And it's ready to go. The Audio tab allows us to specify information about our audio processor. In my setup, I have a JSD60 installed, and the IP address is specified below. We can move from -200 to 200 milliseconds to change our audio delay to match exactly to the picture playout. And to specify an exact number, use the left and right arrows on your keyboard to adjust the time exactly. We can set our CMS to output either 48 or 96 kilohertz content if available, and the channel routing can be rewritten using the interface on the right. Take the media track that is specified by your DCP package and adjust the channel that it's routed to on the right hand side. I'm going to leave this in the standard left, right, center LFE setup that most DCP packages are using. Now I've saved that information, the system is updated and ready for use.